Well, good afternoon folks off YouTube. My name's Ian and welcome to my channel and welcome to my shed. This tiny video, you saw the mess I left the garage the other day. And then I'm going to go in and go to bed. Well, it's been a long weekend and I've managed to get a lot done. Not as much as I should have done because I imbibed a little bit too much on Saturday night. So I didn't do so much on Sunday at all, not a lot. So as you can see, I've still not got around to that because I need somewhere to work. And that's what I've been working. So to a lot of you, you're going to say, well, that doesn't look much difference, but there is in here. I've really managed to clear my bench and get myself organised so I can start going through all the transformers. Someone did comment and say you should go at these like Project FL style, like in one action at a time. To be honest, that's what I've been doing. So just got to show you how I take one of them apart. I've already taken out the casing, stacked them up. I've done a few. There's quite a few in this sack. I'm set up with a bag of rubbish, set up with a tin for my iron, strategically placed so I can just scrape everything straight off. So without much ado, just a tiny quick one, stick you on the tripod and let's hammer some copper out of it. And we're recording and it's just rinse and repeat. You take one of these. I've been look for the seam for the top cap. And I'm a little bit more rougher than that. I'm just doing it because I'm filming. Then I can just slide that straight into the bin. That's just knocking the plastic ends off. Give me a lip there and there to get the copper supported, and I can just bash the middles out. Hey, that was easy. And that, likewise, straight into the bin. Told you it was easy. Take the rest of the plastic out. And these, well, I've been stacking up on that pile there. Sorry, that pile there. However, I could, I guess. Yeah, keep the digits away. And I get this paper out, but I'm going to do that, you know, and I've got a bit more space and it's easier to tidy up. Maybe I should take one. I maybe should take one of these to the yard and say to Robert, do I need to knock off all the paper? Not hard to do. Easy, really. And that, as we weighed before, was what was it? Just under a kilogram of number 2. So 2 pounds, 2.1 pounds, 2 point something like that. And the current price then was £6,100. So that got me English money around about £5.90, almost £6 just for that. So into the sack with that. Rinse and repeat. If I've not taken off all the brass connectors, I'll just snip them off. A lot of them, I'll do them at my leisure some other time. So what did I do? like that, boosh, in the bin. Break the plastic. Get it on there. Job's a good one. Easy. Only another to go. See you in a bit. Well, that were easy really. Done that pile. There's my transformers. My problem is the iron bin's full. The other iron bin is full. So we'll have to think about something because we've got a few more to do. Hey. Hey. Bringing out the electric stuff, getting a bit tired of this now. This is only halfway through. So let's put it on fast forward. Rinse and repeat. Oh, the joys of scrapping. Well, I've decided to finish off by taking the paper off, getting it in a sack. No point it sitting there just like that. The easiest way I've found of getting this paper off, well, hitting it with a hammer. I used to split it along the edge. Like that. Clean. Simples. And I found that, well, basically, I put it on its edge. That puts some pressure on it. And it's just as quick that way. Easy peasy. There's a temperature sensor. So that bag's beginning to feel very healthy. Very easy that way. So just stick it on its edge. And like just make it go fatter in. Just go make it go fatter in the middle. Just a bit like me. And don't miss. Right, I'll crack on with the rest of them. Oh yes. Right. Shall we weigh it? Yeah. Oh, that's healthy. 35 kilos or 5.5 stone. Wow. 35 kilo. Quick math. £77 a number 2. Alright, and I've got some space. What the bloody hell's going on there? The bird's having a bath. Right. Start packing. But I've created some space. May not seem a lot to you, but it's... I could have a dad's dance in there, couldn't I? A dad's shuffle. Right. One more little job to do. Right on! Bring on the next elephant. Yes. And it's good night from me. I'll see you over the weekend.